Hello, this is Joan of Art and welcome to another Ilonggo tutorial session. In this session, we will talk about somebody close to us who have passed away just today. So it's a very sad day for us today because we have received news that Toto Hofilenya has passed away. Toto is an Ilonggo word. It's a generic term of endearment. We call little boys, so they're all called Toto, but some of those Toto grow up to be called Toto. And the female counterpart, of course, is Inday. And some of them grow up to be still Inday, known as Inday and Toto. By the way, the crickets or the cicadas are here again. It's almost dusk, it's sunset, so this sound signals the coming of evening. So this Toto, who's a dear friend of ours, used to do our frames. Being artists, we need to have a framer to frame our artworks, and Toto is the one we run to. So siya ang amon tagapag-frame. We don't have an Ilonggo term for frame. It's cuadro. It's Spanish. And yes, but still in popular usage, we just use frame. So the framer is called taga-frame or tagapag-frame. Since it's a mouthful, you can just say taga-frame. We welcome Pasit once again to talk about the subject of death. You know, the death of a dearly departed loved one. So there is Pasit, and okay, ano ang imo nga nabatyagan kay nagtaliwan na si Toto. Taliwan is a deep, archaic Ilonggo term for to go away, to leave permanently.
Subong kayo, ay na si Toto. Naluoy man ako na madula siya. Kaya nga siya ang gaubra sang premi Inday na nagakadto sa balay kong kisa na nagaobra. Para maibakal lang siya sang iya pagkaon sa iya pamilya, inapaobra siya ni Inday bisan gamay-gamay lang. Subong kay waay na siya, kay nadula na siya. Naluoy ko sa iya
There is a feeling of sadness for both of us that we mourn the passing of Toto.
Kay waay na siya, naluoy ko bigya kasama Tani, kung buhi pa sa tani, ang balong ko lang na siya na sa akong kanalang istar.
Nga, anong buot mo silingon sina?
Ang ubo ko siya para makakuan siya nalipay man siya, wala na may tao na nag-aya sa kanya, wala na dali lang siya sa amon istar ni Inday kay para nun hindi siya mag-ugtas. Subo na gidya ka tama.
Do kabudlay gidya nga.
Budlay gidya ang iya kamatayon kay nadungan pa siya sa COVID-19. Pangamuyuan na lang siya na tani kung makalakat man gidya sa kuwan sa heaven. Ang balon na lang nato na mayon lang paglakat nimo.
We pray for his joyous welcome in heaven. So Toto, wherever you are, we rejoice your life and there's no more pain for you. We pray that your family is well provided. I think that's the only worry that you had when you were here. So we will try our best also to help alleviate the pain and the suffering of your loss. That's our session for today. Some Ilonggo words for you also from Pasit and me. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now.